This is the MOMAX LED Desk Lamp. One of the cool, unique things about this is that it has a wireless charging base. So I'm excited to open it up. Let's take a look and see how good of a product this is. From what I saw on Amazon, MOMAX has a few different lamps like this with integrated charging bases or integrated smart features. This one stood out to me because it has kind of a modern, sleek look, and it said it was gray, not silver. I don't mind having a little bit of silver, but I don't want it to be super shiny like chrome. Right away you can see there's some assembly required. Ooh, I really like the color of that gray. It's not matte, but it's not shiny chrome. I would say kind of closer to your Apple MacBook space gray type gray, not necessarily the shiny silver. Power cord and some instruction manuals, tiny Allen wrench and one screw, a MOMAX 2001 spring catalog. So there's a smart scale in here, there's a LED mirror, digital clock with a wireless charger, humidifier, aroma diffuser. Looks like they make quite a few different things. And depending on the quality of this lamp, I might look at some more MOMAX products. I don't really like these giant bricks on the end because it makes it harder to plug it into certain power strips, but hey, it works. There's the base of the lamp. More of a matte, almost, it's plastic, whereas these are definitely metal. Pretty much everything in the box, so let's get this assembled. Assembly is really straightforward. This just goes right in here. Oh, there is a notch that goes this way. That seems weird. Aha. I like when things that need assembly come with their own tools, but I have so many Allen wrenches at this point. This one is likely gonna just end up in the trash. I like that there are ventilation holes there at the bottom. If you have any wireless chargers, you know that they do tend to get hot, so it's good to have some ventilation under them there. I like how that turns all the way around. So I assume most of the time you're gonna want it like that. This is not movable, this is stationary, but that moves and then you can angle it. Another cool feature, a USB plug for power there. And then there's on the base, a few different options. So we have, it looks like brightness levels. There's your wireless charging pad. Again, we have the USB port on the side, power mode, and then this says 1 hour. So I am assuming that that's an auto off feature, a timer, like a sleep timer, if you will. Let's get this plugged in and see how it works. The power plug is just that plug in the back there. And this is at this little L, so when you plug it in, you're gonna be at a bit of an angle. It would have been nice if there was maybe a different kind of channel or something, maybe the plug being underneath and you kind of loop it up and through. I don't think it's a huge deal, but I always like when companies take that extra step to making sure that the cable is hidden or there's more cable routing potential. So we have, it's adjustable, various directions. I really like that, and right now it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brightness level. There's full brightness. I could take it down. On here on the base, as I move my finger up, as I slide it, I'm not actually tapping on the dots. You have to tap above the dots, it looks like. And I can just tap it, but I have to tap above the dots. If I tap the dots, it doesn't do anything. I actually have to tap where the LED light is. But I can slide or tap, and it's adjusting the brightness. White sheet of paper. So there we got a little warmer there. So you can see, now there's an indicator of the brightness. I wish there was an indicator of what mode we are on for color temperature. But we have, this is the really red one, so probably the warmest. And then we have a really cool light. This one's kind of a brighter cool light. It almost seems like some of these are brighter than the others, which is interesting because this is not brightness, this is color temperature. But I could see if you're working late at night, having something like this or even this would be excellent. You're not gonna strain your eyes as much with a harsh bluer light. If you tap on the 1 hour, turns red to let you know that it's doing its countdown. I like the integration of the LED lights. It's a really nice touch. Let's test the wireless charger. This is a Samsung Galaxy. I have kind of a specialized mount on the back, which sometimes messes with wireless chargers. I set it on there, it says fast wireless charging, 73%. That is very cool because most wireless chargers I have are not fast wireless chargers. I have to plug it into a fast charger port, and then sometimes I get fast wireless charging. The fact that my phone has recognized this as a fast wireless charger, definitely that makes this lamp one of my better wireless chargers in the house. I'm very impressed that this is a fast wireless charger, because I've seen a lot that say they're a fast wireless charger or fast wireless charging. When I set my phone on it, it does not say fast wireless charging, it says just wireless charging. So it's not actually giving me that extra speed in wireless charging. They're just using fast as a adjective. It's not actually a fast wireless charge, at least not on a Samsung device. The interesting thing is fast wireless charging is nowhere here, 10 watt max, but this doesn't say anything about fast wireless charging. According to the Amazon description, fast charging up to 10 watt. Okay, so it does say fast charging. That is probably one of the best features about this. I have another lamp over here, 3 color temperature settings on it. I've been using this for years. It's kind of like an architect arm, so I have different various ways I can set it, and it adjusts like this as well. The thing about this lamp is it clamps onto the side of the desk, so I'm not taking up any desk space, but this has a wireless charger built in. So even though it does take up desk space, this is going to replace a few different objects on my wife's desk. So right now we have a USB charger for a couple different devices on her desk, as well as a USB power running to a wireless charger. So she doesn't have a lamp because we ran out of plugs. This is going to not only add a lamp, it has the color temperature settings, it has a brightness setting depending on what time of day or what she's working on. It has the wireless charging built into it. It adds that other USB port on top of the desk without having to climb underneath the desk to plug something in to a plug with a USB port on it. I'm really impressed with the construction of this. I like how easy this is to maneuver. The spread of the light is really directional. So if I'm working on something here and it's giving me too much glare, it doesn't take much for me to take the glare off that spot. I'm impressed so far, at least with what I've seen from the MOMAX brand. Maybe I'll even try out some of their other smart lamps because I really like the construction of this. When I turn it off, the power light lights up blue. If I walk into a dark room and I don't know where the light switch is, I need some sort of indicator to tell me where it is. The fact that MOMAX or whomever designed this lamp has put in a blue LED to show you where the power for this lamp is. It also looks like it saves my brightness settings as well as the color temperature setting that I had prior to shutting it off, which is excellent. That's something I would expect. When I have a phone wireless charging, where the power button is, there's a little red light that comes on to show me my phone is charging. So there's a couple of awesome features there. When I tap, if I had it on, when I tap the 1 hour for the timer, the 1 hour auto off, there's a little red light under that. This turns really well out of the box. I didn't have to tweak it. My desk lamp over here, if I move it too much, it gets loose really quickly, and then I have to tighten it up, sometimes even get a tool out to tighten it. It looks like I would just need a single flathead screwdriver, possibly, just to tighten it up if it ever came. But it feels really good, really solid. I don't see this wearing out anytime soon. I'm very impressed. I think this is a great addition to anyone's desk. I think this is a great buy. It's currently $54.99 on Amazon. I will drop a link below so you can go and buy it for yourself. Hope you enjoyed this video. And again, this is the MOMAX LED Desk Lamp, 10 watt, fast wireless charging, 270-degree folding. This is what it means by folding, I guess. It has a USB port on the side. There are 6 brightness levels as well as 5 color temperature, and it has a 1 hour auto off that will turn off the lamp after an hour.